There you go, guys. The full system is now in and in place and working perfectly. At the moment, it's working off my Bluetooth because I've got to go into the settings and set up this thing mirrors my phone. So whatever I do on my phone, it will come up on this. It's also got the Play Store there. It's got really good stereo settings. It's got Bluetooth, got Wi-Fi. It's got all that sort of stuff. So I've got to meddle around with the settings of it now, but. Based on what I've already heard, I've listened to some radio stations on it and a few other bits and bobbies. It's actually really, really good. It sounds really good inside in the van. It was a bit daunting at first because there was a huge amount of wiring in it. Now, you have sort of loads and loads and loads of bits. You can go into sort of the different settings and it tells you all the different sort of system informations and it goes into all of that. You can go back to the home. You can go into Bluetooth, it'll set up your Bluetooth connection, you can make phone calls, you can do all that sort of stuff on it. It's actually quite a lot on it. I can't let you listen to the music because I'll get fucking roasted for copyrights and all that kind of business. But there's you can't actually even see it. The actual piece I made is like a frame around it, goes all the way around and actually fills in that spot really, really nicely. It's solid as a rock inside there. All the wiring has now been properly tidied up. Everything sort of is back where it should be, and all the wires that were the dodgy wiring that was in there, I've tracked them down to make sure that everything is okay. So that's all good. So guys, there you go. That's my afternoon. My afternoon's work sorted. I now have an entertainment system in the van. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye bye.